Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by granting the app access to location and camera so it can tag and capture images. This is required. Once done, make sure your battery is above 50% and you're on reliable data or Wi-Fi. You'll open the app, sign in, and accept permissions, then pick or create a project. From the project view, tap the camera icon to enter capture mode. This gets you straight to collecting location-tagged photos without extra setup steps. Now you configure capture options. Select high accuracy for precise GPS or battery saver if you need long sessions. You'll use the map preview to confirm the pin is where you want the photo tagged. Dragging the pin adjusts coordinates before you shoot. Align the subject, tap the shutter, and the app saves an image with coordinates, timestamp, and device heading. Make sure to add notes or tags when prompted so you can filter later. This keeps your dataset clean and searchable. To finish, sync and export your work. Choose CSV or KML for mapping tools, or export photos with embedded GPS. Once exported, back up to the cloud and open the files on desktop mapping software to verify coordinates. If a photo lacks location, check that location and camera permissions are enabled and restart the app. Also toggle device GPS and allow a minute to get a fix. If issues persist, recalibrate location services in device settings and reshoot the affected items.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.